Mr. Speaker, I'm a member of the Health Committee. And while I congratulate my senior, Honorable Didmas, on the thought behind this amendment motion, I want to highlight two things. Number one, the introduction of the NHIF into decision-making in the referral system is not desirable. Today, NHIF, after collecting money from Kenyans, then goes ahead and accredits health facilities where the members seek services. You go to the same health facility that is accredited by NHIF and that you are designated to obtain your primary health services. And you find in that facility, the only guarantee you have is a prescription. Either to go to a pharmacy, go to a medical lab, or go to an imaging center. And when you get there, you don't get the medicines, you don't get the lab tests, you don't get the x-rays. If NHIF cannot be able to assure about the quality of services in institutions that are in this country, what capacity does it have outside our country? So already we are giving a weak institution a responsibility over a service that a delay of a single day could have life-changing effects. At the same time, we have to sympathize with the Kenyans who, after entering the clinic of a medical service provider, are literally held captive there until the disease has progressed to the point of causing lifelong disabilities and effects on their health, permanent effects on their health, before they are released and referred to higher level facilities or personnel of service provision. And that, to me, is where this bill should be taking us. The organization of our health systems should come into focus, because we start from a level one who is a community health volunteer who is not even on pay, to level two, which is a dispensary most likely managed or run by an enrolled community health nurse. Then to a health center where we'll be lucky to find a clinical officer who has a higher national diploma. Then to the level 4, which was supposed to be a sub-district hospital, where we will have an MO. Then to the level 5, where we are supposed to find a registrar. And therefore you find that in that continuum, in every facility there is a delay, there is a time lag, whereas the disease is progressing, the damage continues to get done.